31st May 2026 is a powerful day, which is a Paurnami. This is not a normal Paurnami. This Paurnami is very, very special and powerful because this is coming in Adhika Masa. I have done a detailed video explaining the significance and the powerful period of Adhika Masa. I'll be giving the link below this video. And during this Adhika Masa is this Paurnami, which is even more powerful. It is very, very auspicious. So don't miss this day to do the rituals that I'm going to walk you through in this video. Shri Matre Namaha Guru Kataksham Ambalanugraham Paripurnam. This Paurnami, which is coming on 31st May 2026, do check in your geographical location, whichever place you are in, because you may be watching this video from different part of the world. So depending upon your geographical location, see which day it is coming. It can be on 31st May 2026 or 1st June or 30th itself. So based on that, you do this ritual according to your time zone. So that is the first thing that I want you to make a note of it. Paurnami, the full moon, which is coming in this Adhika Jeshta Masa, it is one of the rarest and most spiritually charged time. A day where you will be able to experience, where you'll be able to overcome the karmic baggages, and you'll be able to see your life changing. You'll be able to manifest. You'll be able to, overcome the struggles, the problems that you may be going through in your life. The most powerful significance of doing the rituals on this Paurnami, there are immense benefits. The first, the merit multiplies 1 lakh time compared to other Paurnamis, which means Paurnami itself is powerful. When you do the ritual, it gives you immense benefit. But when you do this ritual on this Adhika Masa Paurnami on 31st May 2026, it is going to multiply 1 lakh times. Your past life karma begins to burn rapidly when you do the ritual on this day. Most importantly, if you observe the sadhana on this day, it is equal to the merit of you observing 1,000 Paurnamis. Imagine 1,000 Paurnamis. If you do this one day, it is equivalent to you observing the sadhana for 1,000 Paurnamis. And most importantly, creates immense spiritual momentum for mantra siddhi and inner transformation. This Paurnami is very powerful, where if you are facing any repeated life struggles, ancestral issues, confusion, you are feeling stagnation in your life, then utilize this day and do the sadhana that I am going to walk you through in this video. When you do the sadhana, it gives you 1,000 times benefit, which means what normally takes years of effort can begin, the shift can happen rapidly when done. The only thing which you should be focusing on, the bhakti and shraddha. Do the sadhana with utmost sincerity. Believe that you will be able to overcome whatever problems that you may be going through. There are 2 things that you should be doing, one in the morning and one in the evening. In the morning, what you have to do, take bath, wear new fresh clothes, go to your puja room, light Kshira Deepam. I have done a detailed video. I'll be giving the link below this video. Light Kshira Deepam and offer some Naivedyam. And you can write, Likita Japam of Om Shri Matre Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namaha. This is a Likita Japam. Likita Japam is writing. Write this Namam 108 times. Write it at one sitting. It's not like morning half and evening half. Just write 108 times in the morning itself. It won't take more than 5 or 10 minutes. So do this in the morning. Now, being Sunday, I'm sure you can take your time and do this in the morning itself. Now, in the evening, what you have to do? So, you have to prepare all the puja items that is needed for the ritual that you will be performing in the evening. So, the puja items that you need is a mat to sit. You need a lamp with wick and ghee. You need a bell. You need plate. You need flowers, sandal paste, kumkum. And then you need agarbatti, and you need camphor, and you need naivedyam. You can prepare some payasam. Being a very auspicious day, prepare some sweets. You need a kalasham, and you need to fill it with water. In the evening, light ghee lamp. Yeah, if you have lotus wick, light lotus wick lamp, which is very, very auspicious. If you're going through financial problems, when you light lotus wick lamp with ghee, you'll be able to see momentum where the flow of money will start coming into your life. When is the time you need to start? You need to wait for the full moon to appear, which means you should be able to see the full moon. Once you see the full moon, you should be doing the ritual in the open space. It can be your balcony, it can be your terrace, or it can be your garden. Whichever place you are able to see the moon directly, choose the place and go to the place with all these puja items. Now, after lighting the lamp, take all the puja items and go to the place where you have decided to do this puja. Now, if you are in a place where you are not able to see the moon, it is not possible. Maybe it is cloudy, it is raining. You can do this in your home itself. Whichever you can just face east direction, visualize moon, and you do the ritual. So if you are able to see the moon, you have decided to go out in the balcony or wherever you have decided, go to the place, sit facing the moon, put the mat and sit down, gaze the moon, and visualize Mata Lalitambika in the moon. Once you visualize, then you chant Lalita Sahasranamam. After you complete chanting Lalita Sahasranamam, then you do Panchopachara Puja, which is first Upachara is Gandham. Take flower, soak it in sandal paste and say Om Lalitambika, ring the bell and say Om Lalitambika Namaha Gandhan Dharayami. And soak put it on the plate. Take another flower, soak it on kumkum and say Om Lalitambika Namaha Gandhaswapiti Harida Kumkumam Samarpayami and put it on the plate. And then take another flower and say Lalitambika Namaha Pushpani Samarpayami and put it on the plate. You have to visualize that you are offering it to Amba. And then you show agarbati and say Om Lalitambikaya Namaha Dhupam Agrapayami. And then you have lit a lamp. So light the lamp and start the puja. So you have lit the lamp, take a flower and show the lamp and say Om Lalitambikaya Namaha Pratyaksha Deepam Sandarshayami. And then you have the Naivedyam ready with you. Show the Naivedyam and say Om Lalitambikaya Namaha Mahanevedyam Nivedayami. So do this. And then another important thing that I want you to do. I asked you to take the kalasham and fill it with water. You have to take this also with you while performing this puja. So keep the kalasham with all other puja items. At the end, take the kalasham in your hand, keep it in your hand like this, and set your intention, whatever you want to accomplish. You want to overcome debt, you want to get a job, you want to conceive, you want to get married, you want promotion, you want good health, you want to buy a home, whatever is your desire. Take that as Sankalpam. Tell Amma Mata Lalitambika, this is what I want. Please grant me this, fulfill my wish. Now keep the kalasham in front of you, close it with your right hand and chant Om Lalitambikaye Namaha, Om Lalitambikaye Namaha, Om Lalitambikaye Namaha. Chant it for 108 times. Now how to keep count? You can keep count in your hand and remember in your mind. Yeah, so that is how you can do. Chant this, and then after you complete the puja, take the kalasham of water, go to your puja room and keep it there in your puja room in front of the whatever idol, vigraham, photos of Ambal, whatever you have, keep it there in your puja room. Let it be there throughout the night. Next day morning, you take that kalasham of water and drink that water. You can store it in your water bottle also, and throughout the day you can drink. So this is what you should be doing on this auspicious day of the Paurnami, which is coming during this Adhika Jeshta Masa. So do this, and if you have any doubts, do let me know. I'll be happy to help you. And if you want to go deeper into Shakti Sadhana, I conduct free workshop on Shakti Awakening. You can join the WhatsApp group where I'll be sharing the details about the upcoming workshop. If you have any doubts, do let me know. And if you're committed to do the sadhana, do type Shri Matre Namaha. I'll be happy to know that you are going to perform the sadhana with Ambal's Anugraham. You'll be blessed with all happiness and good health and prosperity. Guru Kataksham, Ambal Anugraham Paripurnam. Shri Matre Namaha.